To play Oh My Darling, Clementine, first we need to learn the C, G, and D chords. Note your guitar must be in tune for the chords to sound right. This is the mini C chord diagram. Use finger number 1 on fret 1, string 2. Bend finger number 1 so you're only touching string 2. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Great. Now let's look at the G chord. This is the mini G chord diagram. Use finger number 3 on fret 3, string 1. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Here is a demonstration of me playing C, then G, then C, then G. Practice going back and forth until the change is smooth. Now we need to learn the D chord, which I call bunny ears. You need to use your pointer and middle finger, aka the bunny ears. Place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Then, place your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. Make sure you've got it, because next we need to add the bunny's tail. Okay, good. For the bunny's tail, we need to place our ring finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And that's it. Strum the bottom for strings, and that's the D chord. Now let's try it with the song.
Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry, Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry, Clementine.